Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a virtual card at 7-Eleven for use at their stores or online, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for transactions. Step 1. Visit your nearest 7-Eleven store and locate the gift card display or inquire at the counter about virtual card options. 7-Eleven offers various prepaid and virtual card products. Step 2. Purchase your preferred virtual card product from the cashier. You'll need to load money onto the card at the time of purchase, with minimum and maximum amounts depending on the card type. Step 3. After completing your purchase, keep your receipt as it contains important activation information, including the card number and activation instructions. Step 4. Visit the activation website printed on your receipt or card packaging. This is typically a specific URL provided by the virtual card issuer partnered with 7-Eleven. Step 5. On the activation website, enter your virtual card number and any other required information such as the CVV code and purchase receipt number to verify your card. Step 6. Provide your personal information as requested, including your name, email address, phone number, and billing zip code for identity verification and account setup. Step 7. Create a PIN or password if required by the card issuer. This adds security to your virtual card and may be needed for certain transactions. Step 8. Complete the activation by submitting your information and accepting the terms and conditions. You should receive immediate confirmation that your card is active. Check your card balance online or through the issuer's mobile app to verify the amount you loaded is correct and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.